It's another fine day in Carolina. Good morning, everyone. We're up and at 'em and ready for another fine day today. Hi, Stripey. Hi. Good morning. Whoops. I was a little cranky this morning. The door handle. Hey, bud. Good morning. Hi. Hey, bud. Well, I definitely see that pollen is coating everything today. The bridge is yellow. You walk on it, there's going to be footprints. It looks like the deer were eating on my yellow flower some over there yesterday. Half of the little patches chewed down. I'm frustrated. I'm officially frustrated with the deer now. So we're gonna stay local today, and I think probably WRAL Azalea Gardens and Yates Mill. They're not too far from each other, and neither one is a particularly long endeavor. Well, Yates Mill can be as short as you want it to be, or as long as you want it to be, but so that should be fun outside. It's a little cooler today, but still plenty enjoyable, especially for people from Colorado where it's colder. Good morning, Gray. Hi. 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 Good morning. I love your little purrs first thing when you greet me. So super sweet. I'm in the kitchen this morning. Adam and Michelle are here. We've had a great breakfast. That's the bacon we've left. That's half of what I cooked. That's awesome. These were the potatoes, and these were Vermont maple sausages and eggs. It was a good breakfast. I'm a little late on saying anything about it. All right, we are off to the WRAL Azalea Gardens. I've gotten a nice start this morning. Yeah. Relaxing start. So going on 11. Gas stations are still good for something. We have a few bugs on the window from the trip home from the beach. Plus, I think there was one trip down to Charlotte and back. So over 600 miles, and the windshield was needing some assistance. You're very good at that. Well, thank you for stopping to handle the window.
Yeah, well.
It's much better. It's much better than it was. Yes,
right.
It is.
Yeah.
Don says we have a Rivian behind us, apparently so.
Yeah.
We can watch him, but the window's tinted pretty good back there, so he can't see us. Yeah, there's two huge cranes over downtown. They're taller than the tallest building, at least from the focal point and perspective of where, wow. What is that, Adam? Go ahead, say it now.
So it's cute that you've got two tower cranes.
Yeah, because there's a lot in Denver.
Yeah, come to Denver.
Okay. Yeah, well, our little downtown is our little downtown, but it's been growing leaps and bounds. We're here.
Machino, whatever.
Cherry tree names, they're all the same to Dodd. All right, we're checking out the charge point chargers, which I understand. I don't know if it applies to these, but probably that there was a outage.
Yeah.
People were having to call the 800 number to get the charging started.
Yeah, well, this company, Capitol Broadcasting, has been very much into EVs. Back in 2016, Sam and I went to Tesla to put the deposit down for the Model 3, that big event on March 31st. You know, they had all that hoopla. I don't know if you remember that, but it was a big deal, and people were signing up sight unseen. We put our money down and never laid eyes. Didn't have any idea what a Model 3 was going to look like.
Oh, I can't remember some of that.
Yeah, well, we stood in line, and I called the television station. I called WRAL and said, "Hey, you may want to come up here to Tesla, West Boulevard, whatever that was called at the time." And because there's like 300 people in line waiting to put a deposit, $1,000 down on a Tesla electric car that they haven't even seen. And by God, they sent a news crew out.
Well, that's cool.
I had seen on Facebook that they had this new stonework. And these Camellias here in the background are must have been brought in as big new planted trees because they were not here before, so they've been installed. Nice. There's a tulip. I'm impressed how far along some of the azaleas are. I mean, we saw azaleas down in Wilmington yesterday, which was awesome, but it's, you know, a smidge warmer at the beach. We've seen 2 Easter eggs out here so far, so there are a few. Huh?
Literal Easter egg.
Yeah.
These benches are like rock hard.
You think? You think they grind corn with those?
Yeah, I'm gonna grind about it.
Don's over there near the Ioniq 5, and there's an EV6 here too, and it's pollen season, so everyone gets grace about their car coverage today.
Everybody's car is magnetic during this time of the year. Tracks pollen.
So they're redoing this bridge, putting in a new bridge, making it so you can get to the amphitheater or the picnic tables in the parking lot better. The overflow parking lot. Here we go. It's a selfie stop.
Snapchat.
Hey, here's the elevation. We're going up here. We're getting the high spot right about now.
So it's 100 feet instead of 90 feet?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, but man, look at the steep of that grade. Look at
our mile high friends here.
yeah, this pulling this no problem from them folks from the Mile High Steep. Yeah.
At least you don't call them out.
No, we didn't. We would never say this was a mountain. We just called it a hill.
Well, on top of the maple and oak pollen, we are fixing to pop out some pine pollen.
Yeah.
Wow. It's still not really cranking very good yet, and it's everywhere already. Look at all the pollen at the water's edge.
Oh, give it a week.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's nothing. It'll be shore to shore.
And there's the mill out there. We're over here at the mill now. Several northern water snakes over there on the piled up rocks sunning themselves. Pretty good bit of water today. So what flavor ice cream?
Toffee.
And there's brownie underneath there somewhere.
And there's brownie underneath.
And walnuts. And I have a campfire frozen coffee. Cow and Cow Cafe, where you eat ice cream while you watch the cows.
Down there making the cream for the ice cream.
Yep. Michelle said she wanted to come to Guardian Angel, and I was like, really? Okay, let's go. We were in there about 20 minutes. I don't know if they're both snoozing or not. Maybe. We weren't in there a long time, though. Really weren't.
They look like they are.
I think it might be 2 husbands for the win. Are you being sweet? Nighttime? Are you being sweet? You can give a chin bump. Well, you're leaning like I do when I do my Legos, so she's like, come on, show off. Oh, such a sweet kitty. She's like, okay, Mom, but you're making a big deal of it now, so I need to stop.
Just like a kid.
One more?
Just like a kid.
Aww. How cute. I was informed that lasagna would be appreciated a couple of days ago, and wasn't originally on the menu, but happy to appease. And we ended up, you know, being around enough today that I could pull it off. So I'll be putting that in the oven in just a bit. Yeah, the pollen is just super kicked up. I hope we do get some rain this weekend. Look at how much that Japanese maple opened up. They're got a 3D print going in here. Don's giving an overview of the printer. Is it going good?
It's going.
Good. So what are you printing?
I'm printing something for you, sweetheart.
Way cool.
Yeah, I'm printing a frame for the AMS that raises the frame up 3/4 of an inch so you can put LEDs under it to shine down through the glass and light up the bed so you can see your videos better.
Aww. Does it come with the LED light installation?
No, well, yeah.
No, I mean
obviously,
from you.
Yeah, obviously,
yeah,
yes.
okay.
But
Good.
it's a frame that snaps together in multiple segments.
Uh-huh.
So it's printing all the segments because it's obviously it's too big to go on the plate.
Sure.
It can't print it as one
Sure. Okay,
frame.
so this is our first snap together thing too.
That's right. Just gonna snap together.
Way cool.
And it's 3 hours and 15
So we'll
minutes.
have it.
It might be done by I don't know what time I'm planning.
It'll be done before bed.
Big bed down.
Okay, cool. We're trying to beat Don. Don's headed this way on the unicycle. Show off. Michelle says she beat him.
You should still go look. It might be something.
Wow, just us walking around in the yard. Look what it's done. Everybody watches Monroe live while they eat lasagna for dinner, right? That's just what you do. You know, at this house it is.